Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Pinterest views, and here's how it is done. To check the views on your pins or boards in Pinterest, start by opening the Pinterest apps. Tap on Save in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right. To access View Analytics, you need to switch to a business account. Tap Account Management and then convert to Business Account. Follow the prompts to complete the conversion, naming your account and entering details as needed. You can skip some fields. Once you have converted, exit out and go to the Creator Hub. Although you might not see analytics immediately since you just switched, tap on Analytics in the top right to view metrics such as impressions, engagements, clicks, saves, total audience, and more. You can filter these metrics by specific dates and review details on your top pins and overall engagement. As time goes on, your analytics will become more comprehensive as more people interact with your content. And that is everything you need to know about how to check Pinterest views. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.